Okay, hi guys. Coding tutorial, pretty good. We're doing it in Visual Basic today. So basically, if you don't know what Visual Basic is, it's just an IDE for making Windows applications. Very, as it says in the name, basic. So you can do reasonably good stuff without huge amounts of programming knowledge. So it's good for designing user interfaces, so UIs and GUIs. So basically, today we're doing a hello world. Like what basic tutorial doesn't start with hello world? So anyway, I'm just gonna compile this. So this is what we're making today. So it's just a box with a button. So when you hit the button, it opens a little window and it says text. So now I'm gonna do hello world, but you can type anything in here. So you could do, I don't know, you can make an application when they click it and it says I love you or something, I don't know, really up to you. So you can make it say anything, and then I'll do a bit more customization. I just did this in like 2 minutes just so I could show you what we're doing. So I'm just going to go to the start page. So you guys are going to see this, and so you just installed it, so this is probably what it's going to look like. Personal preference, I like hovering over this and pinning it. It's just easier for me. So mine may look a bit different at times, but you just want to hit File, New Project. It won't say that for you, I just haven't saved that. So anyway, so this window will come up. Click, just keep the first one selected. In the name, type hello. Sorry, I can't spell. World. Okay. Just hit OK. Voila, you've got your basic application. So now, just some setting up I like to do is click on it. So click on it, that, and then go to text, change it to my app. So if you don't know where I'm typing, it's over here in the corner. So this is your properties window. So this is where you edit the properties. Here's your tools, solutions, so where everything's stored. That's pretty much self-explanatory. And then these are just other functions. So anyway, when I hit enter, you can see that it changed up here from form 1 to my first app. So so there you go, my first app. So if we just compile this, just hit that little green arrow, you'll see it says my first app. You've got a blank screen, and then it will change color depending on your personal settings, which is pretty cool. But anyway, so here we are back in there. So in here, under common controls, just click button. Now drag, and you should just make a button, try center it, click on the form, and then use the little pulley things, just make it a bit smaller. I didn't in the other one, but it just looks a lot cleaner and more thought out basically. So you just want to try get like that, bring this up a bit, there we go. So voila, click on the button, go here again where it says text. I'm just going to change it to click me, hit enter. Okay, what you want to do is double click on this, and then it brings up your coding. Now you may think, oh my god, I'm going to have to redesign all of it and blah blah blah, but this is actually very, very simple code and doesn't require any brain thought. That's why I quite like Visual Basic, is it's nice and basic, so it's not very hard coding. But anyway, you just want to type MSG. It'll bring up your suggestions, and you hit MSG box, just double click it, then open parentheses, speech marks, and then just type hello world or whatever message, close speech marks, close parentheses, sorry. Now it's nice, you don't have to put any semicolons or anything, but anyway, so there's our code. Obviously MSG box is short for message box, and then you just got parentheses. Speech marks kind of says what is human text, and so it just tells the computer what's the difference between this code and this code. So this is what's displayed. So to this doesn't mean anything to the computer, where this wouldn't really mean anything to an average human. Anyway, when you hit start debugging this time, you'll get your customized window, but when you hit it, voila, you didn't have to code any of this. It just pops up, and this will be named depending on what your project name was. so that just depends. But yes, that's pretty much our app. So yeah, so there we have it. So you can say that, you can say, hey, look what I made. You can't make that to some of your friends, depending how old you are, or you can just show off or what have you, or you can experiment with that. I will be releasing more kind of tutorials and stuff later on Visual Basic, on getting more advanced. The next one I'm going to make, although it sounds very daunting, it's not too bad. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a basic web browser. So it won't be anything too special, but it's just going to be how to make a basic web browser in VB. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, maybe say what you would like if there's any programs you would think people should maybe learn, because I enjoy learning programs, and then I enjoy teaching you guys how to use programs. So if you've got any suggestions, like if you want to maybe learn some programming language maybe that I haven't done, then I'll look it up and I'll kind of convey the knowledge I get to you guys. And then if you've got any, because I do a lot of 3D animation, if you look at my other videos, if you want any tutorials on that, any After Effects tutorials, just comment any kind of suggestions you either want me to do or you think I should do. So yeah, so just comment, rate, subscribe, message me, what have you. Just do any, like, especially rate, because I like it when people rate. And definitely subscribe. Please subscribe. But yeah, so that's my Visual Basic tutorial. Anyway, see ya. If you want to know, I use Cam Studio for screen recording. So it's a free open source application, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm just gonna hit stop now on my little Cam Studio and we will be done. So see you later. I will do more tutorials. I will actually probably do a tutorial straight after this, so we will see you enjoy watching. Goodbye.